Question number 7. Differentiate between various software development methodologies such as the waterfall model and agile methodology. Software process models. Software process models are abstract representations of the processes involved in the SDLC. They provide a framework for planning, structuring, and controlling the development of software systems. Importance of software process models. Predictability. By following a defined process, teams can predict outcomes and manage risks more effectively. Efficiency. Structured methodologies streamline the development process and reduce wasted efforts. Quality. Following a process model ensures that quality assurance practices are integrated throughout the development lifecycle.